हेलो दोस्तों, पिछले एपिसोड में हम लोगों ने देखा फ्रैंकलिन सिमियन का किसी एक कार बायर से कार को उठाने जाते हैं जो उस कार का इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट नहीं कर रहा था। लेकिन फ्रैंकलिन को ये पता नहीं था कि उस कार को माइकल के बेटे ने खरीदा है। जब फ्रैंकलिन उस कार को चोरी करके लेके आते हैं तब तो उस कार में माइकल छुपा हुआ था और माइकल फ्रैंकलिन को डरा के पूछता है कि तुम्हें किसने भेजा। फ्रैंकलिन डर कर सब उगल देता है। उसके बाद माइकल फ्रैंकलिन को कहता है मुझे उस बंदे के पास लेके चलो। तो फ्रैंकलिन माइकल को सिमियन के पास लेके जाता है। उधर जाकर माइकल सिमियन को डराता है। इसी वजह से फ्रैंकलिन और सिमियन के बीच थोड़ा सा अनबन हो जाता है। इसी एक दिन फ्रैंकलिन माइकल के घर आता है और वो दोनों वैसे ही बातें करने लगते हैं। उसी दौरान ठीक जिमी का कॉल आता है। जिमी अचानक से कहता है किसी ने माइकल का बोट चुरा लिया। तो फिर माइकल और फ्रैंकलिन जल्दी से उस बोट को लेने जाते हैं। तो फिर चलो आगे की स्टोरी को कंटिन्यू करते हैं। ये रहा बोट, रुक जा, जंप फ्रैंकलिन जंप, चढ़ जा। जिस तरह फ्रैंकलिन ने जंप लगाया मैंने तो सोचा ये गिर ही जाएगा। अभी यार ओपन फायर, रुक दिखाता हूँ तुझे। ये तो गया। अरे कैसे शूट करे फ्रैंकलिन? गोली अगर फ्रैंकलिन को लग गया तो खत्म। ओह, इसी तरह हिट कर दिया उसे। क्या ये जिमी बोट के अंदर था छुपा हुआ? लगता है और भी एनिमी है, सब मरा नहीं। अब ये दोनों को एक साथ कैसे बचाऊं? जिमी को बचाऊं या फ्रैंकलिन को? ओह, बचा लिया किसी तरह जिमी को। टाइमिंग भी क्या है। अब फ्रैंकलिन की बारी। जंप फ्रैंकलिन जंप। आज तो फ्रैंकलिन स्टंटमैन बन गया। इसको भी बचा लिया। बोट तो गया हाथ से लगता है क्योंकि कार अचानक से खराब हो गया। अब चेज भी नहीं कर सकते। होगा ये कार भी खराब। कैसे पागलों की तरह कार को भी चलाया। इस कार की तो फुल हालत खराब, धुआं धुआं।
It's a chop shop back there, dog. You drivers there? We can get the ride fixed.
My boat.
It's just a thing.
My boat.
Please stop doing that. Listen, I fucked up, okay? I'm not going to lie. That was a really bad judgment call. But shit, Dad, I nearly died. And all you give a shit about is this fucking boat.
No, it's not that. It's
All we do is scream at each other. No wonder I can't get a job. It's all your fucking fault. Or it's not, but it's partly your fault. I mean, I just want to impress you.
by selling my boat to some gangbangers.
I know it sounds dumb when you put it like that, but all you do is daydream or get angry.
Look, I love you, Jimmy, but you're an asshole. And right now, with my boat disappearing over the horizon, that's all I can see. Franklin, would you do me a favor and give this kid a ride home after they fix this thing? I want to headbutt the road in peace.
Oh, great! Leave me with the home invader.
I'll get it done, dog. No problem.
Dad!
Enough, all right? Enough. Franklin, do me a favor. Call me a taxi, will you?
Sure thing, man. Hey, I need a cab as soon as you can send one. Los Santos Customs, by the airport. All right, thanks.
Thank you.
Hey, so you, do much yachting?
Not anymore. No, I don't.
Before, I mean, man.
No, not really. This little shit stays in his room all day, and I don't have many other people to go with, you know? I like looking at it.
Looking?
Yeah. You know, I come down to the marina, sit on the dock, pour myself a drink, and look at her. Jacqueline. It'd clear my head, you know, let me dream.
Jacqueline, huh? Well, maybe you need to do some other shit to fill your time. Dream other dreams, man.
Yeah, sure. Whatever.
Hey, this the place up here. I know this dude, man. His name Hal. He gonna look after me.
All right, take what's in my pocket. Couple $1,000.
चलो गराज पर
That'll
पहुंच
cover
गया.
it, right?
अब इस कार को रिपेयर करना होगा.
So you sure you're good?
Yeah, I got this.
Ooh, I'm gonna come up front.
Get out and walk around.
It's okay, I can just climb over.
Look, man, I'm gonna get the ride fixed, man, and drop it back off at your house along with this dude. It's all good, though, man. You gonna get your head right, all right?
All right, listen, thanks for today. Appreciate it. You stop back out to the house, we'll talk.
You see?
Show, man. Hey, sorry we didn't get your boat, man.
Yeah.
Come on, man, let's trick this whip, homie. We're gonna trick this whip or what?
Still need to get you out for one of the races, Franklin. See if you drive as fast as you talk.
कुछ पता नहीं लग रहा क्या क्या ठीक करवाना है इस कार का. चलो एक सस्ता सा कुछ ठीक करवा देते हैं जो चलने लायक हो.
Flock to my mama in this ride.
That's gangster. Take it easy.
चलो अब माइकल के घर इस कार को उधर रख कर आते हैं.
All right, man, I'm taking you home.
It's Franklin, right?
Yeah, Franklin, or the credit fraud guy, the home invader. You know what? Call me what you like, man.
Yeah, no, I mean, sure,
Jimmy, ain't he? Or James?
Jimmy. Or just like, Jizzle?
Nah, man, I'll just stick with Jimmy, homie.
So, what's the deal, man?
Huh?
You and my old man? I see you at the dealership, and someone steals my whip, and Papa's all like, he's been down there to talk to you guys.
Your pops did more than talk.
What'd he do?
Look, man, if he ain't tell you, I ain't gonna tell you. But I lost my fucking job, and I thought maybe he could help me find a new one.
Dude, my dad is retired, like fully. Like his only marketable skills are watching TV and daytime drinking.
Man, look, I don't know, homie. He seems okay to me. Shit, he saved your ass.
You saved my ass.
Nah, man. Well, maybe we good together, you know? Like, maybe we can get shit done we couldn't do separate.
If it keeps him out of the house, that's cool by me.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
Look, I'm sorry my dad lost you your job. It's hard out there. It's hard out there. Tough. I mean, I'm employmentally challenged at the moment.
Oh, you got fired, dude. Damn, that's rough.
Not fired as such. I didn't get a job.
I've been there, homie. You've been putting them resumes out there, but no one's hiring, huh?
No, I didn't get a job. I've never had a job. Yo, so like, since we're both unemployed, like, we could run together, you know?
Yeah, I think about it, homie.
Or we could just like shop it, you know? Play darts or get our drink on. Strip clubs. Come on, dude. I get
ये
real
जिमी तो
crazy.
फुल
Yeah,
मस्ती
I got
खोर
your
है.
number, shit I needed, man. But hey, you know what? Man, go easy on your pops, dog. All right?
All right, church.
Exactly, man.
My brother from another mother. I mean, I hope so, because my mom was kind of a skank back in the day. See ya.
Yeah, whatever, homie. Peace.
अब न्यू कांटेक्ट ऐड हो गया है माइकल और जिमी. जिमी का मैसेज आया, कह रहा है मुझे उसे लाइफ इन्वेडर पर ऐड करने के लिए. लगता है लाइफ इन्वेडर लॉस सैंटोस सिटी का कुछ सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म होगा. ये ले, इसके साथ साथ लमार का भी टेक्स्ट आ गया. ये कहाँ से आ गया सिमियोन का कॉल.
Hey, look, man. Look!
You were like a son to me. Employee of the month. Does that mean nothing to you?
Man, the dude had a gun in my head.
No loyalty, no integrity. You should have taken the bullet. My business, my totally legitimate business. You're fucked, my boy. Fucked.
सिमियोन बहुत ही गुस्से में कह रहा है कि तूने एम्प्लॉय ऑफ द मंथ का कोई वैल्यू नहीं रखा। ये कौन बुला रहा है मुझे? चलो चल कर देखते हैं। अबे दिखाई नहीं देता क्या तुझे?
What's wrong with you, boy? Waiting on Tanisha when a real woman can
What the fuck is wrong with you, Tanya?
Ain't nothing wrong with me, nigga. Shit.
Well, your ass don't look too good. Where the fuck is JB?
Smoking.
And what about you?
I mean, you know, I quit. You know what I'm saying? Almost.
Yeah, whatever.
JB, look, JB gonna lose everything. He gonna lose the house. You know what I'm saying? The business, everything. And you his cousin, nigga. You said you was gonna
He
help.
ain't my cousin.
Whatever, if that's how you feel.
What the fuck do I know about towing cars?
Look, it's easy. If JB can do it, you can do it, for fuck's sake. Come on, I'ma show you. Come on. Shit.
All right, then. Shit.
Shit. Show him everything.
Hey, look, let's make this quick. I got shit to do.
Nigga, you need to slow it down. Tanisha was right.
चलो अब एक छोटा सा स्ट्रेंजर मिशन कर लेते हैं।
Sheriff Impound.
Oh, man, how did I get dragged into this?
We both know you always been sweet on me. Shit, Franklin Clinton.
Shit, your ass must be high or something.
I told you, I don't do that shit no more. I mean, I baby doze now and again just for the taste. But I'm doing good, boo. Your eyes don't lie.
Whatever you say, girl. Come on.
There's JB's truck. Let's go bring the cha-ching, homie. What you waiting for? Get in there.
Vehicle 29, come in. This is dispatch. We got an abandoned car at San Andreas Avenue.
Yo, we on that like ugly on your mama.
10-9, come again? I didn't catch that.
It's Tanya, fool, and my boy Franklin. We filling in for JB.
Copy that. Hi, Tanya. Car's a junker. Been there for days. 10-7. I'm gone.
A bucket. This one should be easy.
Shit, not easy enough for JB to drag his ass out of whatever crack house he laying in.
His loss, your gain, sugar.
Except I ain't gaining shit, sugar.
Move that seat back, and you know I'll make it right for you.
That ain't what I'm saying. Damn, Tanya. What the fuck happened to you?
Okay, I've seen JB do this 100 times. Back up close. Make sure the hook is down. And it should slide right in. Aight, baby. Back it up nice and steady. Okay, we are in, baby. Let's get this back to the lot.
Hey, this was not how I saw my day going.
So I ain't seen you around the hood much?
I've been trying to branch out. Can't stay in Chamberlain Hills forever.
Oh, nigga got airs now. I remember you before you was a wannabe when you just was.
And I remember you and JB before y'all was dope heads. Shit changes.
You the one all turfed up. JB smoking, but he ain't smoking homies. He out here grinding, towing cars, paying bills.
For real. Cause I could have sworn it was me out here towing cars for him.
And looking damn fine doing it too, baby. Okay, we make the drop where they got the areas marked. They get real finicky when we don't leave it in the right place.
with that shit, all right?
Ain't a crime to let my man know where it's at.
It's okay, really. I got this.
Okay, you got it. Release that baby. I'll see you on the block. Anything you need, you holler at me.